Hello, this is James, and I'm excited to present to you an incredible opportunity that can transform your financial life, the Speed Wealth System. I also have some very important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about the Speed Wealth System is to be careful with the website you're going to purchase from because this product is only sold on the official website. To assist you, I've left the link to the official website right below in the description of this video and also pinned in the comments. Have you ever felt like you're working hard but not seeing the financial results you desire? I've been there. But with the Speed Wealth System, you can change that. This isn't just another digital marketing system, it's a S.Y.S.T.E.M, which stands for Save Yourself Some Time, Energy, and Money. Developed by Digital Bankroll, the Speed Wealth System is a done-for-you system that allows you to focus on marketing while it takes care of traffic conversion into leads and leads into sales. So, what are the benefits of the Speed Wealth System? Well, first of all, it saves time. With much of the work already done for you, you can dedicate yourself to other areas of your business. Additionally, it increases your commissions, helping you to make more profits with less effort. And last but not least, it saves money, as you don't need to invest in various separate tools and resources. The best part is the affordable price. I don't know when you're watching this video, but currently, the owner of this program, Neer, a highly successful multimillionaire, is offering a 50% discount for people who join. Instead of paying $99 or $100 per month, you can get the entire system and start making money immediately for just $49. That's right, half the price. And if you're still hesitant, don't worry. We offer a 60-day money-back guarantee. Less than 2% of people have requested a refund, which means that 98% of customers are satisfied with the system. So, how much can you earn with the Speed Wealth System? The testimonials speak for themselves. We have people earning $15,000, $30,000, even $40,000 per month with this system. And you can start today for less than $50. With the Speed Wealth System, you can finally enjoy your free time again, without worrying about working overtime to secure online commissions. This revolutionary system eliminates the need to worry about complex marketing tactics or conversion strategies. It's all been done for you. So, if you're ready to take the next step in your online entrepreneurship journey, look no further. Join me and thousands of other successful entrepreneurs who are profiting from the Speed Wealth System. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Thank you for watching this video until the end. And if you still have doubts, the best place to learn more is on the official page. Click the link below to find out more and start your journey towards financial success today.